Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting what matters: the email tied to your Golootlo account, the phone number, and the last 4 digits of the card. Once done, sign into the Golootlo app or website. Make sure 2-factor prompts are cleared so you can access billing. Check the subscription entry, note the plan name, start date, billing cycle, and the next charge amount. This upfront info prevents delays and proves ownership when you move to cancel. You now navigate to account then subscriptions or billing. Locate the active Golootlo plan and open its management view. Once there, select Cancel or Manage and choose whether to stop immediately or at the end of the billing period. Decide based on prorates and refunds. If no cancellation control exists, open Help or Support chat and send a concise cancellation request including your account email, last 4 card digits, and subscription name so the agent can process it for you. You finish by saving the confirmation ID and screenshotting the cancellation page. Make sure the next billing date is cleared from your account. Once done, monitor your bank or card for refunds or to confirm charges stopped over the next 1 to 2 billing cycles. If a charge still appears after cancellation, contact Golootlo support with your evidence and, if needed, dispute the charge with your card issuer. This resolves most lingering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.